Welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 15, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:30 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, brilliant Venus shines from the eastern sky before sunrise. Rising nearly 4 hours before the sun, the morning star is 30 degrees above the east-southeast horizon at 1 hour before daybreak. It steps eastward each morning in front of Virgo's stars. The planet is nearly midway from Xania to Porrima. Use a binocular to spot the planet between the two dimmer stars. In 2 mornings, Venus passes Porrima. Notice Spica, over 16 degrees to the lower left of the planet. Venus passes by November 29th. Spica is the 10th brightest star visible from the mid-northern latitudes. Shining from a distance of 250 light-years, it is 1,900 times brighter than the Sun. Compare Spica's brightness and color to Arcturus, 25 degrees up in the east, lower than Venus. Arcturus is the second brightest star visible for northern locales and the brightest in the northern half of the sky. It shines from a distance less than 40 light-years with a brightness of over 100 suns. Through a telescope, Venus displays phases. This morning the phase is 61% illuminated, a morning gibbous phase. This phase is a demonstration that the planet revolves around the Sun, but not first observed until after the invention of the telescope in 1610. If Venus revolves around Earth as proposed in early solar system models, Venus would only display new, crescent and half phases. Jupiter is not visible at this hour. At 2 hours before sunrise, the Jovian giant is less than 10 degrees up in the west-northwest, nearly 150 degrees from Venus. The Venus-Jupiter opposition occurs December 10th. In the evening sky, Mercury and Mars are not visible. Mercury nears the evening greatest elongation. This evening it sets nearly 40 minutes after the Sun. Mars, hiding in the Sun's glare, is nearly at solar conjunction. At 45 minutes after sunset, the crescent moon, 8% illuminated, is about 5 degrees above the southwest horizon. Each evening it is higher in the sky and the phase is growing or waxing. The first quarter phase occurs on the 20th. Use a binocular to see Cos Borealis and Nunci, part of Sagittarius, about 15 degrees to the upper left of the lunar crescent. Additionally, look for Earthshine on the moon's night portion, between the lunar cusps or horns. As the sky darkens further, Saturn is over 30 degrees above the south-southeast horizon at an hour after sundown. The planet is crawling slowly eastward in front of Aquarius, generally heading toward Skate and Lambda Aquarii. This evening the ringed wonder is in the same binocular field with Deneb Algedi, Capricornus tail. The gap is 6.8 degrees. At this hour, bright Jupiter is over 15 degrees above the eastern horizon. It retrogrades, appears to move westward compared to the starfield, 11.4 degrees to the lower right of Hamel, Aries' brightest star, and 12.6 degrees above Menkar, that is near the horizon. Use a binocular to see the dimmer stars. The two planets appear westward along the horizon during the night. Saturn sets in the west-southwest around midnight. When Saturn sets, Jupiter is southward. The solar system's largest planet is in the western sky when Venus rises. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.